Another weekend, another staycation day. Hello everybody, we are in Pousada de Coloane. This is our room. Look how big that is. We're gonna have more people tonight, so that's how it looks like. We have a sea view. Look at that view. Oh my goodness. Hee. It's very nice. We can actually go out, so enjoy the sun. Amaze balls. Okay, excuse my hair, I just had it dyed yesterday and I don't even want to talk about it. But look at this place. It's nice. We have 3 beds because this is a family room, so you know, you can bring the whole family here. There's an extra sleeping area, the couch. Very nice. This is like a very old kind of Portuguese style manor house. You said it's a horror house. Manor house, horror house. So it's a nice place for like a family weekend or something. It's pretty spacious. It's a huge... Oh, sorry. What did I do to the banana? Oh, I'm gonna eat that. And the refrigerator is not your typical hotel refrigerator. It's like pretty big, so you can obviously put any stuff on. These are all ours? We brought these?
No.
We're fully stocked? Well, not fully, but like, yeah, basically. Look at that. Ooh, not bad. You know that this place, despite it being old, it's actually pretty hard to book because they have very limited rooms, and obviously people like to come here in the weekend, so it's really difficult to book this room. We booked really early, like a month in advance, which for Macau is actually early. Usually here you can like book a room in like 24 hours or something, like for tomorrow, but for this one, no, usually packed, so pretty good. You get to experience it. So we're just gonna settle down first and then see you in a bit. Sorry, I'm gonna eat the banana. More bananas here. Hershey's banana. Chicharron banana. No, I'm kidding. These little bathrobes are so cute. They're for kids. So small. So old school. This place is like a dungeon or something. The shortcut. The only thing about this place is that it's very secluded. It's located like uphill out in the the outskirts of Macau, basically. It's the Coloane Island, so it's hard to get here if you're gonna take public transportation, unless you take a taxi or you're driving. I know I'm talking weird because I'm like going downhill. Okay, now we're gonna take a walk down at the beach, see what's out there. It's been a while since we were in this area, so we'll go and explore. Yeah. The hotel's right there. See that? Right there. So the resort is right there, the hotel, and it's like really close to the beach. The beach is just right there. This is Fun Beach, by the way. We don't have really nice beaches in Macau. We only have 2, but not too bad. Sure. Rich people. It's actually a beautiful day to go for sunbathing. But it's not too crowded today on the beach, but the weather's really nice. Would have been nice to like bring our own beach umbrellas and like just find a spot somewhere there. Decided to go swimming in the swimming pool, so we're heading there now. Swimming fun. Oh, the sun just set, but we couldn't see it. I think it's on the other side, so it's a little... It's getting darker now. Okay, this is still us. It's main road down there. Just chilling with his beer, waiting for his brother and Trixie, because we're gonna have dinner over there. There. There's like a restaurant behind that building, the Louis Vuitton building, the Louis Vuitton mansion. I'm gonna have dinner there. Neighbors having a party downstairs. Over there.
Rice. Breakfast buffet. Not bad. Trixie! Can I see Trixie? Wow! Show Tita your song.
Wow! Trixie! Dance, dance! Thank you!